Hey guys, welcome back to another really belated Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. This is for September of 2023. I realize it is December as of filming this. When this goes up, it'll probably be like January, February. Jesus Christ. Anyway, so this is what the bag looks like. Very, very cute. I'm loving this art style. I'm loving that it has a tassel. If you know, you know. Those who remember a certain story time video. Yeah, that. It made me think of it instantly, because it's like that same kind of tassel and everything. I'm like, oh god. Anyway, so I do have two of these, so I'm gonna go ahead, open them up, and see what we got. So, for September's theme, it says Pa La Cultura, Hispanic Heritage Month. Ironically, the bag they show is not the one that we got, but okay. Oh wait, actually, wait. I'm fucking stupid. This is not the theme. This is advertising the mystery bag. Flip it. Never mind. The theme was Find Your Groove. I'm still making up. Okay. You possess a rhythm entirely your own, so this month, let it be the soundtrack to your journey of self-expression and growth. Move to your own beat, explore makeup that celebrates your unique beauty, and embrace all your passions. And yay, we do have product info this time, so I don't have to just wing it and hope. So, first things first, from Earth Harbor, which is a really good brand. You can't even see this because of the lighting, but this is the Earth Harbor Naturals Marina Biome Brightening Ampule. I want to say I potentially have the full size of this somewhere. I either had the full size of this or I have something else from this line that I think is also Marina. So this is a deluxe sample size. Full size is $38 and is 30 milliliters. This is only 15, so this is half size, which is not bad, honestly. So, let the healing ocean waters and its life-giving nutrients in this brightening blue serum help balance and brighten your complexion. It's teeming with spirulina, blue tansy, and highly concentrated adaptogenic oils that help nourish and even out your skin tone. Tip, massage 2 or more drops into your skin after cleansing and toning. Well, that's how you use a serum, so no shit. Alright, next we have from Lavido. This is the Lavido Thera Intensive Oil Control Clarifying Gel Wash. Again, the lighting here is kind of harsh. There, now you can see it a little bit. Sorry, the ring light is literally right behind the camera, so it does make it tricky. Anyway. So this is a deluxe sample size. Full size is $29 and is 120 milliliters. This is 15 milliliters. So this is like an itty bitty version. Full size is much larger. So, bid adieu to excess shine and hello to a renewed clean complexion. Powerful ingredients like salicylic acid, cinnamon, sage, and spearmint help to cleanse and balance oily skin. God, those ingredients, this must smell amazing. Plus, thanks to its cooling effect, it feels refreshing and invigorating on your skin. Tip, massage the lotion over your clean, damp skin until absorbed. What do you mean lotion? This is a face wash. What are you talking about? Did they use the wrong word? Yeah, like, even looking at the instructions here, this is cleanser, this is not lotion. What are they talking about? What even? Whatever. So, they are confused. Oh, shush. Anyway. Let's see. Oh my god. Guys. I finally used up the last one. And we have another one to go through now. Yeah, I know I could just sell it, but fuck it. No, I'll still use it. But it's the Hey Honey, Show Your Glow Colloidal Golden Honey Beauty Mask. F my life. I went through 3 of these this year right now. They really like sending this one out, is all I can say. There's a deluxe sample size, full size. It's $53. It's 60 milliliters. The one I have is 20 milliliters. I think this is a little bigger than the 3 that I had before, too. I could be wrong, but I want to say they were a little shorter than this. The glow is real with this luxurious honey and colloidal gold mask. Honey nourishes and hydrates your skin, while colloidal gold helps diminish the look of fine lines and prevent wrinkles from forming. Tips, lather an even layer onto your clean skin and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Yeah. I'm just like, how many times are they gonna send me that one? I don't even know. I don't even know. This is 4 times now. Then we have, from Koki Professional, the Gel Ink Dual-Ended Eyeliner in Amethyst in Matte Black. So I'm assuming it's gonna be like this color purple, which is awesome, and I cannot wait to play with. So, this is full-sized and retails for $10, which is not bad, especially for a double-sided one. This baby has it all. A fierce liquid liner on one end and a versatile gel pencil liner on the other. The intense formulas are water-resistant and smudge-proof. We'll see. I have oily hooded lids. We'll freaking see. Ensuring your eye look stays put all day and night. Tip, use it to create everything from thin lines to thick flicks. So, from what I can tell from that picture, it looks like the liquid side is the black, the gel side is the purple, which is exactly what I would expect. But, yes, I am really excited about that guy because of that purple. That is fun. Purple is one of the best colors on my eyes. Since I have hazel eyes, it really makes them pop. So, anyway. Love that. Love green. They both look really awesome on me. So, last thing in this particular bag, but we do still have one more after this, is the Pacifica Beauty Stellar Gaze Length and Strength Mineral Mascara in Supernova. I want to say I have at least one more of this, but I don't know if it was full size or another sample, but regardless, I love Pacifica, so I'm not complaining. But yeah, deluxe sample, full size is $14, which is pretty much standard for mascara. Prepare to meet your new favorite mascara with a nourishing formula enriched with coconut oil and vitamin B3. Or no, just vitamin B. I'm sorry. Vitamin B. This long-lasting mascara not only helps lengthen, strengthen, and add volume, but it also hydrates your lashes for a healthy, natural look. And then their tip is literally just how you apply mascara. Start at the base of your lashes, comb upwards, wiggling as you go. No shit! That's how you use mascara! Like, they must write these for, like, absolute makeup noobs is all I can figure. So in the other bag, let me grab it. We have got... Let's find the card. Do we have info or no? Yes! We have info again. Hell yes. September was a good month. So, in no particular order, we have from Innisfree the Pore Clearing Clay Mask 2X with super volcanic clusters. This is a deluxe sample size. Full size is only $16. That's not bad. And the full size is 100 milliliters, whereas this is 20, so okay, this is like a fifth the size of the full size, but even like if I really like this, full size is only $16. For that amount, that's actually really good. That's really good. So, this face mask is on a serious pore cleaning mission. Powered by absorbent Jeju volcanic clusters, finely ground hardened volcanic lava, and lactic acid, it helps clear pores while it exfoliates. Tip, smooth the mask onto your clean, dry skin and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Well, so, like a typical clay mask. Alright. Then, from Benefit Cosmetics, we have the Porefessional Super Setter Pore Minimizing Setting Spray. I'm actually pretty excited to try this too, even though I'm usually not that big on the matte look. I put so many things down that I'm like, that aren't matte, I'm like, I think I can work around that. Or I can layer on top of it with something, so we'll see, we'll see. Anyway, setting your makeup, that's a job for a Porefessional. This lightweight spray instantly smooths and refreshes skin, helps blur the look of pores, and mattifies excess shine with microfine powders. Plus, it locks your look into place for a full 16 hours. What's not to love? Tip, shake the bottle well, hold it 8 inches from your face, and then mist it evenly all over. There's a deluxe sample size. Full size is $33. The full size is also 120 milliliters versus my 15 milliliter sample. So, again, that is kind of a spendy product, but you do get a lot of product. So if it's good, you know, might be worth it, but I get my Tarte Stay Spray in, like, the biggest size for, like, 20-something, and I thought that was a lot, so I'm like, I don't know about this one. I don't know. I think I'll stick with what I know and love, but I'll try this just since I have it. Then we have, ooh, what are we? Ooh, so this is Beauty For Real Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Moon Dance. Can we appreciate how pretty this is? Kind of matches my background. Like, it's kind of rose gold. I like it. So, this is full size, actually, and it's $24. So, not complaining there. Very nice, very nice. It really doesn't get any prettier than this glistening pearly beige shade. One swipe of this multi-dimensional liquid eyeshadow will have you shining bright into the night. Plus, the ultra-long wear formula means you don't have to worry about touch-ups or creasing. Tip, swipe the eyeshadow wand over your lids and blend with a brush or your fingers. Again, that's pretty straightforward of how you use this. And then we have, what are we? Okay, we have the Purlisse Beauty Halo Glow BB Cream Highlighter in light gold. So, okay, that's pretty. I'm digging it. The full size is $18 and 10 milliliters. My size that I've got is... Can I even read that? I might need my magnifying glass. Hold up. Let's see. That is really teeny tiny writing, my dudes. 5 milliliters is what mine is. So 5 versus 10. This is half size. So that's not bad. That's not bad, actually. Let's put that back down. So, it says... Packed with skin-loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, this liquid highlighter hydrates and nourishes your skin while giving you a stunning radiant glow. The exclusive Asian herb complex adds an extra touch of brightness and also helps to improve the texture of your skin. Tip, blend onto your skin wherever you want to glow, like your cheekbones and Cupid's bow. Not gonna lie, I never do it right there, even though people say to. I'm like, I don't really want a highlighter on my upper lip, basically. Thanks. Every time you sip, you'd be drinking it. That's kind of gross to me. So, but I'll put it, like, down, like, this part of your nose, brow bone, cheekbones, little teeny little bit on the chin. Like, I'll do all those, though. And then the last thing, this is definitely a sample size, because I know the full size is bigger than this, is the Ciate London, or is it Ciate? I still don't know for sure. Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. So this is a deluxe sample size. Full size is 10 milliliters and $15. This one is how many milliliters? Do we say? 5 milliliters. Okay, so again, half size. That's why I was like, this is like a little baby size. That's not full size. Want the moisture of a lip balm and the shine of a lip gloss? This hybrid oil treats your lips to both by deeply hydrating while giving you a glossy sheen. The watermelon extract in this oil gives your lips a burst of moisture that lasts and lasts so that you can kiss chapped lips goodbye. Tip, just swipe on your lips whenever they need some moisture and shine. Well, again, straightforward. That is literally how you use a lip product. Anyway. So that's the 10 products that I got for September from my base level Ipsy Glam bag, and honestly, pretty good stuff, even with the repeat, I'm looking at it all, I'm like, there's nothing here that is amiss. There's nothing here that I don't want, really. Even as much as a baby as I'm being about getting that for a 4th time, I'm like, I'm still gonna use it, because it's still a good product, and for how spendy the full size is, I'm like, you know what? At this point, I'm pretty sure cumulatively, I've had basically the full size just across the multiples of this that I've gotten, but anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more, it's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.